3T family, we're back here with another video teaching you how to format your designs for digital printing. So the thing about digital printing where it differs from traditional screen printing is that it uses the color mode CMYK, which is cyan, magenta, yellow, and key. Key is your black. And a lot of times if you see images on your computer, they can and cannot translate well to digital printing because computer screens are set in RGB, but printing is CMYK, so you're not going to get the same amount of colors as you are with RGB printing. So this is how we'll go in and format our design. I'll go into Photoshop and I will click open. And when I click open, I will upload a design, and we're going to take this butterfly one for an example. So once it's already uploaded, well, gracefully, the person that sent this to me, the artwork did not have a background. But a lot of times when you do designs, if they're, say they're like a JPEG, there will be a background that needs to be removed. If you submit designs without the background, you'll have better print quality, of course. And the first thing that I do is I'll go up to image, then I'll go to image mode, and then I'll click on CMYK color. And what that's going to do is going to format the design and show me what it'll look like CMYK printed. So a lot of times you're not able to get the same color vibrancy, or they're not going to be as bright as they would for RGB, but that's some of the pitfalls of digital printing. Next thing I like to go do is my image size. So my image size right now, it's currently sized for 9 inches by 8.5 basically, but say this is going on a t-shirt where it needs to be 10 inches or 11 inches. We would do 11. So if it's 11, I'm going to make sure I increase that. Keep my resolution at 300 dpi. That's going to be imperative. Hit OK. When it does that, it's going to load, and then it's going to resize the image according to my instructions. Great. Second thing I like to do, I'll go back into image, and then I'll go to trim. Trim basically gets rid of any negative spacing that is not the design around the design, so that way when I do upload the designs, they're sized correctly. Because a lot of times if you save it and you don't trim the edges, the computer will recognize that it is a certain size, but it may have transparent invisible pixels within the design that you don't see that can take up space. So when you get your stuff printed, it might not be sized to exactly your likeness. So I like to go into trim, remove any pixels around the edges. This is all the text, then that's good. Next thing you're going to want to do is go to export. So when you go to export, you're going to export it as a PNG file, and over here it'll give me my format, my width, my height, scale, all of my essential details that I'm getting ready to save. Once everything looks good, it's 12.3 megapixels. I'm going to click export, and we're just going to label it butterfly design. Gonna hit save. Once it saves, you're pretty much good. And this is the type of artwork that you're going to want to upload into the DTF Gangshoot Builder, so that way you can get high quality prints. If you have any other questions or want to learn more, please feel free to let me know. You can reach out via Instagram, Triple T Print, Facebook, 3T Print Solutions, or if you want to text us directly, the number is 478-207-7959, and we'll have one of our agents reach out to you and answer your inquiries. Thank you, and have a blessed rest of your day.